What's going on, guys? Bruce here with Bullish Currency, back at you again with another Shiba Inu update, guys. So, interesting news, right? Interesting news. So, guys, it looks like Robinhood had a security breach. Maybe you guys have heard of it. Maybe some of you are using Robinhood and you were a part of it. I hope not. I hope your information was safe. But I believe it was like millions and millions of people who got basically who were affected by this breach. So that's major. That's actually bad. Robinhood is already not doing as well when you look at the value of their stock or whatever. And now I don't obviously this is not going to help, right? This is just going to make things worse for them. But at the same time, what does that do for Shiba Inu? Because what's really holding Shiba Inu up right now? There's a lot of things that's holding it up, and one of them is the anticipation of the release of basically of the announcement of Robinhood saying, "Hey, we're now going to have Shiba listed." And looks like that's going to be delayed now, right? I mean, I would think so. I mean, if they're going through these types of legal issues or security issues or whatever you want, I'm sure it's going to delay them from making a move like this. But at the same time, makes you think maybe they're thinking we got to make this happen soon, because I'm still thinking maybe before Christmas, but hopefully they're thinking that's going to be their best way to recover, after they fix this whole security issue. Best way to recover would be with the announcement, because they need some serious help right now, Robinhood, right? And they need this announcement, just as bad as the Shiba holders need it or want it, right? So that's some news I just basically found out that I thought I should share with you guys. So I think that's going to delay things for a little bit, but I still think before Christmas is very possible. Now, I also want to look at some chart analysis. All right. So we already touched on the fact that the amount of holders of Shiba Inu out there is just increasing. That's a good sign. 30% increase in 1 month. That's a good sign, right? The fact that a lot of whales are not just dumping and taking their money out. They believe in something. They believe in it. They're holding for a reason. So they might know something. We don't know, right? So I'm still very bullish on it. And overall, if you see where we're at, I think history is just repeating itself. I think it's just going to consolidate for a while before we get another bullish move. But let's look at the chart. So remember yesterday we were here and the candle was bearish. Remember, it was so bearish. It was all the way down here. And, and I said it would be great if it turns bullish, and closes that way. And it actually did, guys. It actually turned bullish and closed that way. Pretty solid, strong bull candle there. And then it worked its way all the way back up here to previous levels. And now we're currently here on this 4-hour candle with 6 minutes left. I want you to notice that this 4-hour candle actually came down to retest this same level, and it's closing in 6 minutes. So it's a successful retest of this level. Last time it retested this level, we saw it climb up here and above. So that's looking good. I think this is going to probably continue back up to this previous level and overall still consolidate. I think another great entry was down here. This is where I personally decided to buy some more because I saw just a great opportunity, especially when it almost wicked and touched this level, which is the same level it touched in the past where it rejected on a nice solid support level. So right now we kind of have somewhat of a W. I think. Let me take a look at the 2-hour and the 1 hour. So we do kind of have somewhat of a little. I do like these sideways looking W's. Let's see the 1 hour. We also have a nice W right here, guys. This was beautiful. I mean, I want to show you something. It retested right there. It literally retested. So normally I like when the candle breaks a W, I would get in for, if I'm thinking, getting in, I would get in on the break of a W or the retest. And usually I will draw my line on the bodies of the candles of the W or the M, right? And then I would go to the nearest tallest wick of it and go into the future. And that's my retest zone. So you kind of see that's what happened, right? Created the W. It didn't even create a new low, right? That was great. That was a great sign. And then it broke and even came back and retested, right? And look at that. Look where it's at now. So I do believe that we're following this trend as well in the 1 hour. So is there a chance for it to come down here one more time or maybe down here? Definitely. But right now we're kind of creating an uptrend on the hourly time frame, but we're still overall consolidated. So nothing to be too excited about. I still firmly think before Christmas we're going to see this announcement. I don't know. At least that's what I'm hoping for, right? And once again, guys, everything I share here on these videos and this channel is not financial advice, guys. This is just something for you to do whatever you want to do with it. But it's for entertainment, education purposes. I'm just letting you know how I'm seeing things, what I see, what I'm doing, what the bullish currency community is doing, because we're definitely overall just bullish with Shiba and a lot of these cryptos that we've been talking about. And I'll be dropping more videos about other coins you can I won't say you can, because you can do whatever you want with your money, but that I'm investing in, that my group is investing, that I'm looking at, that I like. So you can take that information, do whatever you want with it. But I'm gonna start dropping some more videos on all types of coins that I'm taking a look at. So definitely look out for that, guys. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I want to know your thoughts on Shiba. Like, did you buy down here again? Did you, on another W just like before? Did you buy down here? Did you panic sell? Like, what did you do? I want to know what your thoughts are on Shiba. Maybe you know something I don't know. Maybe you found some research somewhere. Share it below. Do a comment, and definitely would be appreciated here at the Bullish Currency community and for all the Shiba army. So until the next video, guys, I'm still bullish. Everything looks good. We are slowly but surely climbing back up. We're bullish at the moment on the smaller time frames like the hourly, and on the 4-hour, we're still overall, just kind of consolidating, but we're bullish at the moment as well on the 4-hour. So everything's looking good, guys. I'm just going to be patient here. We're just going to be patient. That's what I'm going to do. And any day now, we're going to have some major announcements. But just look at structure at all times, guys. That's what I do. You don't just wait for news. You don't just wait for media or someone else to tell you what to do. You look at the structure. And if you know what you're looking at and you know some basics, which, we teach in the bullish currency community, if you know some basics and you understand how to look at a chart, well, you'll know when you see, it's time to probably, collect some profits. It's time to probably get out. You'll know, not just based on media, news, hype, and what someone's saying, but you will also know based on the chart. The candlesticks do not lie if you know what you're looking at. All right, guys. So until the next video, stay blessed, stay bullish.